If you want to make your forms smarter and more interactive, conditional logic in Tally forms is the key. In this guide, I'll show you how to add conditional logic step by step. First, log into your Tally account and open the form where you want to add conditional logic. Next, choose a question that will act as your trigger. For example, a multiple choice question like yes or no works best. Now click on the question block and open the logic or condition settings. This is where you control how your form behaves based on answers. Start by creating a rule. For example, if the answer is yes, then show a specific follow-up question. You can add multiple conditions to guide users through different paths depending on their answers. You can choose to show or hide specific questions based on previous answers. Yeah, this keeps your form clean and relevant. Before publishing, always test your logic. Try different answers to make sure the correct questions appear. If something isn't working, check for missing conditions or ensure your trigger question is set correctly. Once everything works correctly, click Publish. Your conditional logic is now live. And that's how to add conditional logic in Tally forms, so it helps you create smarter forms that feel more personalized and improve response quality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.